short this puppy and long this one. And while I'm doing this, I don't know if those of you that we were talking about some of the cannabis names yesterday, you know, you saw Tilray today. Man, oh man, oh man. Hope you're in that thing. All right. Any questions I can answer right now? Who's got something for me? Don't know that there's enough premium to really do so, but yeah, you know, I would have thought that with a little bit of a market sell-off, Arnav, I know you already have the VIX trade in. We've discussed that numerous times. I was just saying we could maybe butterfly that off. Okay. With the sell-off in the market, you know, you would think that VIX would go up, though, you know, 100-point sell-off is really nothing, right? So let's see what happens there, and we'll kind of go from there. ATVI, I put it up on the watch list today because of the news that they had. Pretty significant news, actually. And you can see that volatility absolutely has gone through the roof. Through the roof.